Very good night I've bid to the lecturers and my fellow friends. So welcome to our last video discussion, group discussion number 6. Tonight we will be discussing on how to design the layout of our news publication. So basically, we will now start off a meeting to actually plan how are we going to fit in all our six titles, 6 sessions that we've chosen selected for the past previous weeks. Okay. So if we take a look at the list, if we take a look at the full list, we have actually comprised of total of 4 sections. The first one is technology, second one will be health, the third one will be entertainment, and the last one will be lifestyle. So obviously we have chosen 2 titles for each particular section. So the first one, technology, we have AI helps make use of chlorine for safe drinking water as well as ChatGPT. So for the health one, we have the balance of study and life at university for mental health and the postmortem. And the third one will be entertainment. We have Bella Hadid, Pen's emotional message supporting Ariana Grande in body shaming conversation. And another one is the BTS struggles before fame. And the last one, we have our lifestyle article, which is lifestyle of Bibi Yusuf as a successful entrepreneur, Malaysian digital content creator. And those are basically our list of what we call titles for our news publication. So what I'm suggesting is the first thing we have to do is we have to insert our title, because we have discussed that our title is what's new in the very first week. So I suggest that we put the what's new title on top of our news feed so that the readers can know, yeah, this one is all about news. And after that, I wanted to make the what we call the sections more clearer. Like for example, the first one, technology. So we have to put the technology title on the top so that the readers know, okay, this part is about technology. Then for example, lifestyle, then we have to put the lifestyle word there so the readers will know, okay, this part is about lifestyle. Then only we insert the two articles inside the particular section. Then the thing about this news publication that we're trying to achieve is we wanted to make it as straightforward as possible, so that the people will reading it will be able to grasp the main point as soon as possible. So we don't want it to be a very lengthy a lengthy passage. So we want it to be a very shortcut. So we will hope to just extract the important essence from each articles and make it more straightforward as possible. That's my suggestion lah. And another suggestion that I would love to put is that we try to make the color, or what we call the theme of the whole news publication, to be not as fancy as possible, because if we are putting on what we call a fancy color theme, then the tone will be less serious. We want to convey that these articles are actually bringing some impact to our life, so we are making it. So I prefer it to be maybe like a darker tone, maybe something like chocolate, chocolate grayish kind of tone for our news publication color. So what's your opinion on this, Hanafi? Can you let us know your suggestion?
So, so we are supposed to discuss what the layout of the newspaper, right? And all of us already have our own part, so you all can just make out to use other tools to set or other kind of tools to help in the future. And I suppose for the design, I'm not really like creative, so I cannot really help in that part. Sorry about that. So the first thing I can see is just put as much information any reliable information or any kind of topic that you could like this is much for the internship and then like what is the order for topic. So suppose you just pick up the word hopefully there's nothing wrong about it. Like, on maybe you should have or maybe not. So I don't want to say much. How about you, Fidaus?
Excuse me, Hanafi.
What else?
Okay, I will give my opinion, which is, I think I also agree with Wenji that our newspaper should use soft color, such as gray or brown, and the font. I mean the phone also plays important role so that the reader does not get bored and when does not get bored when reading the newspaper, right? But I prefer the newspaper nowadays use the minimalist or simple concept. How about you, Nazira?
All right, thank you, Akmal. Okay, okay, I would like to suggest that we should put colorful images to attract the readers and to make it more eye-catching. We also should use a nice image to make the design less cultural. For the arrangement, we have to arrange it clearly and creatively so that the readers are not bored when they read the news. We can arrange it by dividing it into 4 parts, up and down. It should be simple and clear. We must eliminate unnecessary information. I think that's all from me. What about Shahira?
Okay, thank you, Nazira. I think I agree with you and Wenji. But Wenji said that we must to choose soft color for our newspaper. I think I like to choose gray color because we all know that our newspaper, all newspaper use gray color, right? So I think it bring the all vibe for us because now we are not using newspaper anymore because we are all using the internet, right? So I think it's interesting. And for the arrangement, I think I agree with Nazira and Wenji. We put by part which is technology, health, lifestyle, like that, and followed by the section. So I think what I want to add is we need to put our newspaper name, our news, at the top of our newspaper. That's all from me. I will pass to Aina Faisal. What do you think, Aina?
Thank you, Shahira. I think I agree with all of your suggestions. Sorry. Okay, so for my suggestion, I would like to say about the picture selection for each of our article. I think it is important for us to choose a picture that can attract our reader, like eye-catching. So besides that, I think the color also plays a big role for newspaper. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to Adra Harini.
Yeah, thank you, Nurul Aina. My suggestion is, I think I will agree with Akmal. Use a different fonts for the title that will separate the title and also the article. And I also agree with Wendy about the color of the article, which is not to use a lot of color that will disturb the other articles. And also, Aina Faizul, like, uh, she says about the picture that can attract the agree of your idea. That's of me, and I think I pass to Fidaus.
So for my suggestion, everyone can hear me, right? So for my suggestion, so
Yes.
okay, I would like to give suggestion that we don't have to put a long paragraph, because when we put or insert a long paragraph, it will give a picture for our readers that our newspaper is too long and they are very lazy to read. So for make it more convenient and more easy to read, I would like to suggest we just use very like or just a short paragraph to write our news. And also the selection of pictures, like everyone said, that we should use the correct or the pictures that really connect to our news, with like ChatGPT or the entertainment part. So okay, that's all for me. So back to Wenji.
Okay, thank you everyone for giving your
Can
insights.
I add something?
Yes,
Maybe?
please.
I think I want to suggest to use Canva apps to do our soft copy for our news. Because I
Yes,
think Canva has many of template, right? Right, Akmal?
Agree.
Okay, thank you for the suggestion, Shahira. Yeah, true. Canva is a very good tool for us. We'll probably use that. And if we take a look at all of our insights today, we are very, how to say, very coherent lah. It means that we agree with each other. We don't really have to do a voting for this one, because the main point that we wanted to achieve is we want our news publication to be straightforward, straight to the point, and then we need a lot of like attention grabber, like the image, fonts, the tone, everything have to be in place lah. So we will be creating a Canva, I think a shared document, so that we can work together in the same piece of document, so that we can provide how to say, we can come up with the best product that we can for our group. And I think that pretty much sums up the discussion for tonight. And thank you everyone.
Thank you.